guys, it's Jada, and today Gina is not here, but this is her video behind the scenes, if you can see. And I'm gonna be making a fluffy sauce. Well, because in another video, I videoed Gina making a dark, and another video I videoed Gina. So now let's get to it. Okay, first I'm adding some Elmer's washable school glue. It's white.
She's making slime, by the way. Gotta hold it up, Jada. And if y'all hear me back here, it's because I'm playing with my slime. I gotta color it a darker blue so I can name it Blueberry Butter. Now back on to Jada. So right now, she's just mixing.
I need more glue.
And she's pouring more glue.
This is gonna be a lot to activate, y'all.
Yeah, and plus we have no more white glue, so.
We only have glitter glue.
Yep.
Oh yeah, honey
So, this
It is berry blossom scented, and this is what it looks like. And yeah, we have another packet, and it smells so good.
smells the same.
Like that much. As you can see, you can barely even see the berry blossom stuff. Yes. Now you can see it.
Yep.
And I'm gonna be making it. I'm gonna try to make it the light green that I have in my hand right now. Let's see what color it actually turns. Because I'm like really scared because me and Gina have never used this.
Yo, I'm obsessed with this butter slime. I'm so glad I made it. So, right now it's like a yellowish. Wait, it actually looks like very green on camera.
But it's actually like very light.
Light yellow. So, you need to add like a lot of that, Jada. It looks awesome. It's a really light blue. That's why I said I have to add more food dye.
Yeah, because she wants it to name it
Blueberry Blossom.
I'm gonna need like a lot. Are you still together?
So right now she's adding like a lot of yellow dye because
It's not turning out.
it really looks like no light. It looks so dark on camera, Jada.
Yes, it is. It It's not that dark.
Yeah, it's so not that dark.
If it was, I would be like gonna use the whole entire bottle by now.
Yeah.
Good.
You guys, we may have to stop recording because I didn't want to verify my phone number to have longer videos, so we may have to stop recording if she don't hurry up. I'm not going to talk the rest of the video because this is like a teaching how to make slime video, and she's really not teaching you guys how to make slime. She really better hurry up. My phone is going dead.
Can you add me some more activator? Good. Okay, at the end of the video, you can end the video. Okay, so bye guys. We gotta end the video because it has to verify her phone number, and we don't really want.
So I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching this video.
This is how my slime looks. To the fin sister. Okay, end it.
Goodbye, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we do a video. Goodbye.